Welcome to my channel where I speak with a broken English, but the recipes are always delicious. Today I have a special candy that if you're looking to start a business or you already have a business with food, whether it's a restaurant, a bakery, or this event coming up, or you just want to learn how to make it for your family and delight yourself with it, you're also welcome to watch this recipe. It's delicious. This candy made out of fruit. Delicious. Let's do it. And here I already have my pot. I'm gonna put it on low flame. And I already peeled the papaya and slide them. Now I have cinnamon and anise star and sweet clove. I also gonna be adding some of this powder because I don't have the whole. So the allspice. I also have some orange peel and some ginger. That is going to give it a little kick. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And here I have 2 cups of sugar. I have 1 refined sugar and 1 cane sugar, brown sugar. That's because I want the balance, so not too dark, but I also want the darkness at the same time, and the beautiful caramel that is created with the brown sugar. And 15 minutes passed by and I didn't add any water. Look at all the water that came off our papaya. It smells amazing in this kitchen. You guys have no idea. So I'm just gonna let it cook in there until we see the liquid turn into a caramel, because the papaya is letting go its own liquid. So we're just gonna cover it back and let the magic happen by itself. And 30 minutes already passed by and look how delicious it looks. We're just waiting until that liquid get thicker. So we're just gonna let it happen. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking it out, right? And I'm putting it in a glass bottle. And you could put it in your glass bottle and have it there for 1 to 2. Make sure you put it in the refrigerator. And when you want to have some, you could take it out. You're supposed to be aiming from the bottom. Thank you for staying to watch today's recipe. I hope you have learned something new today. And I hope you could also try this recipe at home, whether it's for business or whether it's for you and your family and your friends. God bless, and I see you in the next recipe.